Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gonna cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me. How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you? It's just a 10. Hey, how much you got on you? It's a little 20. How much you got on you? It's just a 30. How much you got on you? I blow the 40. How much you got on you? I made it 50. Hey, how much you got on you? It turned me to 60. How much you got on you? It touched me to 70. Hey, how much you got on you? It came back with 80. Hey, how much you got on you? I came with a whole. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I wanna fuck me. Hey, how much you got on you? She say I'm hot. Hey, how much you got on you? I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Yeah, this a lot. I got a lot on me. I got a lot on me. But that ain't a lot of me. That ain't a lot to me. Talking about money, money, money.
Hope everybody, welcome back to the channel. So as y'all know, we start air shocks. So that's part number 4 right there. Confused on what's going on, go back to my channel, go back to the squat in the box part 1, squat in the box part 2. So we're gonna be putting the air shocks on. So I got fittings and everything, got all the hardware. I end up getting new hardware, so I end up getting those. Big thanks to Mr. Mike. He ended up making the adapters for the fittings that I bought. Like I said, we run the management on this system. So got those. So I wanted the wire fittings. That's part number 4. The 1/4 inches, and then the pieces that he made. That's right in there. So it's a gold pieces, bronze pieces right there. So if anybody want any made, just let me know, and I get y'all in touch with him. Vice versa. Hit me up on my Instagram. Get something set up. So like I said, if I get this off. So it's part that he made right here. So those get attached to it. These pieces right here came with the wire. So that's when you buy this, you're getting this little piece, the elbow. So I had to have him make this piece for me. So got the thread tape on them on both sides, on the shock side and on this. I'm going to get it installed and everything. Full management on this car so that way I can raise it from the inside and not having to put the air to it like Monroe wants you to do. So want to go that route with it. So I'm going to start on this tomorrow, probably. Start getting everything situated with it. So I want to get y'all a little insight on what's going on, what we're going to be doing. So hold on. I really don't like the way this looks. So got it in, but it's kind of twisted a little. I had to twist the bottom so that way it went into the spider webs. But I twist the bottom so that way it went into the bottom bracket. I don't know. So see how it's kind of twisted. So I would say make sure it's like that on both sides. I really ain't got to show you the other side. Do it anyway though. I would say make sure that your top piece is pretty much not parallel. You don't want it like the same, but that's how this side is. But you want to make sure the top mount is facing perpendicular, I want to say. You'll have it like this. Make sure that bottom is faced like that. So the top be like this. You're looking at it, so it'd be going straight across. Make sure that little ball is like that, so they're not the same direction. It's kind of hard to explain, but I had to twist, like I said. Let me show you. Got to twist that bottom like that. So that's what's causing them to do what they're doing. See how that is over there. So make sure the bottom's just like facing this way. Like I said, I could have got the wrong part number, but that's what I was told to get, so that's what I did. I mean, could this be the fact? I don't know. We'll see how it rolls. And right now, I'm not bouncing and all that stuff right now, so they're in. I just got to do the lines and everything next. And like I said, she's stiff, so that's my big. So now we just got, like I said, get the lines and everything hooked up, put air to them. It should hopefully work. Worst case, find out if I got the wrong part number or if it's just defective. But anyway, it's part 2. We're gonna go into part 3 when everything's done. We're gonna pretty much roll right into it. Man, I ain't gonna lie. The other side's easy, but over here, the side over here, stressful. But we're gonna make it do what it do. Or we won't. So I found the part number. I'm gonna drop it right here. Screenshot it and everything. That's the AC Delco. That's cheaper than what the advanced one is. So, and it's AC Delco, so it's kind of factory replacement. So leave that there, and that's what we're gonna do. But like I said, the guy that told me about this one, I don't know. Like I said, but the orientation it needs to be, that's the way it needs to be set, just like that. So if you find another part number, then hey, you got it. Till next time, keep macking. Peace.